Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I had a couple of folks from up north that wanted me to shoot an extra video, so I thought I'd throw it on the website for you. This is the 2010 International Durstar. It's the last year for the good version of the DT466. It does not have DEF. And they just wanted me to just kind of go along and just show them a little bit of stuff under here. So we do not power wash. We want you to see what you're buying. So this is just the way that we got the truck. And as you can plainly see, there's no big oil leaks anywhere. It's just not flinging oil all over the place like some of the stuff you see. And it shouldn't. This truck's barely got 100,000 miles on it. So that's a pretty strong little unit right there. That DT466, that thing's been around a long time. It's done a great job for international. It's actually one of our to-go-to motors. We like this truck a lot. And there's your box, 24-foot kid-drawn box on it right there. And this is going to be a cold start, so I wanted you to be able to see that nothing too weird or anything about this truck. So we're just going to let it do its little cycles. Little sign right there, wait to start, because it's only like 42 degrees here today. So we'll let the preheater have a chance to go ahead and warm it up. And if you're just not very patient like me, then we may just go ahead and go without waiting. There we go. There you go. So like I say, it's about 42 degrees out. And that thing starts and runs just about as nice as you can be. ABS light went out if you were watching that, and it's got a whole 107,000 miles on it, and it's just a nice straight little truck. Gotta love the sound of that. I love the DT466, and just so you can see, there's what you're looking at. Transmission fluid right there. It's a nice solid truck. Box is good. Anyway, they just wanted to make sure that it was a good cold starting motor, and I wanted to make sure that they knew that it was. So once again, it's Dave, HD Trucks and Equip, right here in Henderson, Tennessee. The phone number is 602-510-5444. Thanks again for looking.